Is it possible to make money in the stock market without trading or investing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money in the stock market step by step, click by click, but without ever investing or without having to do any day trading. And the best part about it is you don't need any skills. You don't need to know anything about the stock markets, but I'm going to show you how to leverage the stock market so you can make money with this method. And trust me, I've done options, Forex, day trading. I've literally done everything when it comes to the stock market. And I've taken so many courses and it's so difficult. It's hard to make money because you're trying to beat the market, you're trying to day trade, and you end up losing money. At least that's what happened with me. And I found a much better way to make money by leveraging the stock market, but without having to actually put money into it. Now, I do invest money into stocks, but now it's more long-term holding, which is basically just find a good company, I put money in, and then I just hold it there, okay? Now, this strategy is gonna allow you to make money as fast as possible, and I'm gonna show you exactly how in this video. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer, 9-to-5 worker, to now starting my own online business within 9 months. And if you guys want to learn more exactly how you can get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because I'm teaching you every single day. I'm coming out with videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job to go all in with my online business. And the best part about it is I literally started this thing from scratch. So if you want to follow my journey, subscribe down below, and I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now let's get into it. Now, the strategy we're going to be implementing today is we're going to be using affiliate marketing and the stock market to make money online. If you guys are brand new to my channel, guys, this is the core fundamental of what I talk about. I love affiliate marketing because you're literally promoting someone else's product, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, a course, a software, it doesn't really matter. Affiliate marketing works in every single niche. And in this case, I'm going to use and leverage the stock market to make money. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step, but if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a copy and paste website where you can literally implement this today and start making money with the stock market starting today. Now, the way we're going to make money with this method is we're going to be partnering with affiliate programs that are related to the stock market, programs that allow people to invest in stocks or do day trading. Again, you don't have to be an expert in this because I'm going to show you a secret strategy on how to get people signed up, even if you know absolutely zero about stocks, okay? So, you know, there's companies like Webull or Robinhood or First Trade or M1 Finance. You can become an affiliate for one of these or all of these programs and basically help people find a program, right? Let's just say someone wants to get into stocks, especially now after the pandemic, everyone's trying to make extra money, and let's just say they're looking for a platform to trade stocks. Well, the cool thing is you can be that bridge to that person who's looking to do the day trading or the investing, okay? So for example, let's just say your friend is looking for a platform to invest into stocks, whether they're doing Forex trading, whether they're doing long-term investing. One of these platforms is gonna allow you to do that. So let's just say you wanna recommend Webull, which is a trading platform. You can literally give them your affiliate link. They're gonna sign up because they're already interested, and then you make money. Now, of course, we wanna do this on a higher scale, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But essentially, this is the process. Now, I'm gonna show you a few of the affiliate programs that I recommend for this particular strategy. Now, I pulled up some of the programs that I would recommend if I was in this niche, okay? So for example, this is Webull right here. This is an app where you can download and start basically trading stocks. You could even do crypto, options, all kinds of stuff. Very, very powerful platform. Now, what you can do is I actually went to Webull affiliate program, and this one right here says partner with Webull and achieve financial future, okay? So you can see here, you can kind of read through the affiliate program, see what it offers, but very easy, just go to join now and you could join as an affiliate partner with Webull, okay? The second one is Robinhood. As you can see here, invite friends, get stocks. You can see their referral program, and you could receive up to $500 in stocks, okay? Very, very powerful. Okay, here's another one that I'd recommend. M1 Finance is another program, and obviously you'd want to do your research on all of these programs. These are the ones I would just recommend right off the bat, okay? And I personally use all of these programs because, again, I do some long-term investing now, and as I mentioned, I have done tons of trading, Forex, options. I have done that before. I've used literally every single program you can think of, so that's why I'm familiar with these type of programs, okay? But you can kind of read here, and this one says earn $100 every time you refer somebody, okay? Last one here is the First Trade Affiliate Program. You can see free to join, unlimited earning potential. That's huge, guys, and you can kind of see how much they pay out, okay? Affiliates get $50 for each qualified referral, okay? So that's huge. They basically pay you for every referral, for every email lead, okay? So you can kind of go through and see what program is the best, or you can promote all of them. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a resource to promote literally all these programs. That way you have multiple streams of income, multiple ways to make money, which is how I like to build my affiliate businesses. All right, guys, so that was step one, is finding these programs to partner with. Now, step number two is we're gonna build out a opt-in page or a funnel. That way we can exchange for someone's email address, okay? This is really important because we want to be building email lists around the stock market, or people interested in trading stocks, okay? So the reason you want to do this is because now we can promote multiple products, right? Multiple softwares, multiple programs. You can even promote like a high ticket course for stock trading. So many things you can do, right? You could even introduce cryptocurrency or Forex, because this is all related to the stock market. So this is where it becomes very, very powerful. Let me show you exactly how this works, and then I'm gonna give you a resource where you can literally have this up and running by the end of today. Alrighty, guys, so I pulled up this diagram to kind of show you what I'm talking about. All right, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be sending your customer to a squeeze page, or it's also called an opt-in page, okay? So this is also called an opt-in page. Now, again, the goal here is to collect an email address. Now, how are we gonna collect an email address from somebody? We want to be giving away something. This is also called a lead magnet. Now, if you're a stock expert, you can give away like your top stock tips. But if you're not an expert, don't worry about it, because I'm going to show you a really cool strategy you can start using today, and you're still going to provide someone value in exchange for an email address, okay? Like top 5 trading platforms to get started. I'm going to give you guys that in just a second, okay? Now, again, the goal here is to, create this opt-in page where you collect an email address. People interested in stocks. So now you have this huge list of people interested in stocks, which is very powerful. This is like the key here, okay? This list, okay? We'll talk about that in just a second. Now, on this next page, we're gonna actually give them the free gift, right? Or the free thing that you're giving, okay? So right here, it's like, hey, here's the free gift. Okay, this is where we can put our affiliate links in here. Okay, so let's just say we're doing, hey, top 5 places to trade stocks, or whatever it is. Okay, we can go ahead and list that out here. And let's just say you're a partner with all those companies I mentioned. You can literally make money with every single one of these things, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly how this works in just a second. Now, the way you make real money is by sending them to like a high ticket webinar, high ticket course right here, okay? And this is where you can really make money. But what I'm gonna show you is how to make money along the whole process, okay? Literally by giving them a free gift, and then also in the email sequence as well, because now you can promote multiple offers here, okay? So I know it's a lot to cover, but that's basically how this works. And I'm gonna give you guys something, I'm gonna give you guys this whole system today. Now the next step is to build out the funnel and put this all together, right? You wanna create a lead magnet, you're giving something away for free in exchange for an email, and then you wanna build out the pages so when people visit, they then opt in, and then they're gonna see all your offers, okay? Now I'm gonna give you guys a funnel in today's video, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Check this out. Alright guys, so we're in my ClickFunnels account, which is how I'm creating these pages here, okay? Now you can see you're gonna get 2 simple pages, okay? You have page 1 here where it says opt-in, and then you have the thank you page. Now page 1, again, the goal of this is just to get an email. That's all we're doing here, okay? Now you see here it says make money in the stock market in 24 hours or less, revealing my secret list of websites offering free stocks you can trade, hold long term, or cash out ASAP, okay? So the goal here is to get an email address, okay? Now on the next page, they actually land on this one here, okay? So you can go ahead and add your logo, or you can take this off, whatever you wanna do. This is a super easy software you guys can literally drag and drop and customize however you want, okay? Now right here, guys, this is the cool part here, okay? You can literally have links to Webull, to Robinhood, right? You can have First Trade, you can have M1 Finance, and you could add to this list if you find more, right? There's so many other options out there, but now we're giving them this free website, you know, this free resource. But with this, you're gonna make money, you know, like with this link here, with this link here, this link here, because I showed you how to partner with these programs, right? And if you don't know how, literally just go to, you know, Google and type in, you know, First Trade affiliate program, and most likely they will have an affiliate program. Why wouldn't they? They're literally paying you to promote their program, so why wouldn't they, right? Not all programs have affiliate programs, but I would say 90% of programs, at least softwares, have one of these, okay? Now we have the thank you page, right? Or this is the page where people go and they get this free value, okay? Now this is where you can make some real money here, where it's like, hey, well, if you want to get serious about this, I'm going to give you a free training, or I'm going to show you a training on how to actually do this, right? On how to actually do the actual trading itself. So what you can do is you can find a course that does Forex trading or day trading, okay? So what we can do is we can go to a place called ClickBank, all right? Now with ClickBank, we can go here and find a ton of products, a ton of courses that we can promote. This is typically where I find my high ticket courses, and this is where you can make your real money, okay? Of course, you can still make money with all these networks here that I mentioned, but with ClickBank, you can go ahead and find a high ticket course, all right? So you're gonna sign up here, and you're gonna wanna go to the marketplace, okay? Once you go to the marketplace, you can go over here and just type in stocks, okay? Let's just see what it comes up with. So, become a penny stock trader, top dividend stocks, you know, the easiest way to become a stock market success, definite guide to swing trading stocks, so that's a $44 product, trade miner, $54 product. You can kind of keep going until you find something that you want to promote, okay? Very easy. All you got to do is hit promote here on this button, and then you're going to generate this hop link, okay? Now what I would do is literally copy this link here, okay? This one right here. Go back to your funnel, and then you're gonna add this link at the end, okay? All you're gonna do is go to the thank you page. Obviously, once you get signed up for these affiliate programs, you can literally go in here and add your links on these pictures, right? Literally just go over here and add your links, okay? As you can see here, I could literally add my link where it says link URL, okay? So this is where you wanna add it, okay? But anyway, so now, again, we got that link from ClickBank, so I'm gonna go down over here, and I'm gonna show you where to add this link, okay? So I'm gonna go all the way down where it says watch the training. I'm gonna click this. I'm literally gonna set action here and then go to this website, okay? And this website is gonna go to that ClickBank product, okay? The one we found. Now guys, this is how you build a real affiliate marketing business, right? We have a ton of products that support the main product, right? Let's just say the main product is that high ticket stock market trading course or whatever it is, right? I'm sure you can find courses that go for thousands of dollars, okay? And then we're gonna stack that with other tools, other softwares, right? As I mentioned, Robinhood, Webull, you could even find like, you know, tools to help people trade or whatever it is, right? And this is where we start making real money. You can start having multiple streams of income, not only that course, but also other products, other programs as well. Now guys, if you want this full funnel absolutely free, I'm gonna give it to you guys just for watching this video. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's gonna be the second link in the YouTube description. Now, if you want to learn exactly how I built a six-figure online business with affiliate marketing and how I do my passive income affiliate marketing ecosystem, I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I'm going to teach you the skills to actually put this together step by step, click by click. I'm going to show you how to build a funnel from beginning to end, how to build out the email sequences, literally everything you need to know to build a successful affiliate marketing business. So if you want to learn more on that, that's going to be the first link in the description down below. And if you want this funnel that I mentioned today, the stock market funnel, that's going to be in the second link down below. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make money with stocks without ever trading, without ever investing. Guys, affiliate marketing has literally changed my life, and I want to help you guys achieve that financial freedom because I was honestly sick and tired of my job. Like, no joke, it sucked going every single day to work, spending 2 hours in traffic. So again, if you want to learn exactly how I left the 9-to-5 rat race, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.